So hey guys, welcome back again to our channel. So today we're gonna be doing the unboxing of this guy right here. So this is the Xbox One S 1TB. So this is the latest bundle from Microsoft. It's with the Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order.
Ascension facility. We're done hiding.
So if you are picking up something for this holiday season, maybe this is the right one for you. If you're going to pick up a console, so this guy costs 199 euros here in Italy and $200 in the US. So if you are new to this channel guys, so this is ENM, please consider subscribing, of course share my videos, hit the thumbs up button, and leave a comment down below. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So let's go open the box. Okay. On top of the box we have here this Xbox logo. On the right side we have another box. Maybe these are the accessories. So we have here HDMI cable, standard power plug, the Xbox controller. So this is the wireless controller. Xbox controller, wireless. We have the batteries, of course not rechargeable. And on the bottom we have another box. We have here some paperwork, so manual, and of course the Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order. So this is a digital copy. Of course Microsoft is always doing this. We have there. Of course we have the Xbox Game Pass for 1 month, I think. That's 1 month Xbox Game Pass. 1 month Xbox Live Gold. And then we have nothing more. Of course, especially we have here the console. Of course, this is the actual console. This is 1TB. 1TB. Okay, this is the actual console. It's too heavy. So we have here the HDMI TV out, HDMI in cable, 2 USB port, infrared out, what's this? I don't know. Of course the internet cable, internet port, and then the plug. So that's it. So in front we have the Xbox logo, the power button, of course where we put the CD, and that's it guys. So that is what's inside the box. So guys, that's it. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And of course, as always, see you guys until the next one. Peace.